Hello and welcome to the demonstration about installing the online backup software. What you should have got once you subscribed to TLMartin Ltd for the online backup is you should have had an email which contains all your details. I'm just going to load up my email to show that it should come through. So here's the email showing it's received and the details for the online backup. So if you open up that PDF file, what you'll find is you'll have all the information about where you go to log into your access your files when they're uploaded to the web and to get the software, your username for accessing the website, and your password. There are some basic instructions about how to proceed to get the default, but what this video will do is demonstrate all the aspects of the software and explain what they all do. And there's also links to get the app for the iOS, app for Android, or app for Windows 8. If you have a different device to any of those, you can use the LiveDrive website to go to get the optimized version for your mobile phone. LiveDrive is the company that provides the service. They hold the data centers and where your data is stored in the UK. So if I click on the link, it will take me to that actual website where I can actually get the file to download. Okay, so we go to login, and you've got your email address, which is your login, training.co.uk, and then the password S9TV, XUMD. And I can't spell training. Once you've logged in for the very first time, you'll see that there are no shared files and no files backed up yet. We want to go to the web portal. The shared files is a way that files can be shared between yourself and other people rather than emailing them. You've got the links to be able to get the apps for the various mobile devices, as well as Mac, Windows Phone, if you just want to view content, or the actual backup program for Windows. So save that, and it will proceed to download. Once it's finished downloading, you'll be able to open the folder to see where it is, and at this point you can close down the web interface as we don't need to use that. So there's the LiveDrive setup. Double click on it to run and it will do the install. The application is installed on a profile basis, so if you have other users on the laptop that have a different profile and they are going to be configured to use it, they will also need to install it themselves in their profile. What this gives as an advantage is if you do have multiple accounts, they can back up their own data on the computer and keep it to themselves private. You can back up your data and no one can access each other's data, so there are benefits to that. Or you can just set it up to back up everyone's data and just have the one account that's shared. Once LiveDrive has installed, it will just refresh the desktop and then you'll come up with this login screen where you can log in to your account. So this is the account you are setting up to do the online backup. Training.co.uk, S9TV TV XUMD. It will do an automatic preparation for your backup, but you may wish to customize because it will only go for the standard default locations and you might store data elsewhere. Right. When it first starts, you'll notice that down by your clock you've got this blue icon with the L, which is your LiveDrive. Everything is done through the control center, or you can automatically get onto view your files online. If you ever need to close down the application, you've got the ability to log out or exit LiveDrive. As you can see, at the moment it covers both the backup and the briefcase. I only have the backup on this current account. I will do a video for briefcase later. The backup, it automatically is calculating how much time is needed to upload everything, and it's already starting to upload my data from my actual account, which isn't a lot as this is a demonstration account.